Good thing I brought my backpack.
Don't tell her now. When she sees Eliana, then she will be like, okay.
Alright, maybe not.
Good morning guys, alas 2 na madaling araw ngayon. Hindi ako makatulog, grabe. Dahil nagkakaroon ako ng, alam niyo yun yung, ano ba tawag yan? Contraction. So maya na siya. Tinatimeran ko na siya guys. And sabi sa apps ko, get ready na daw, punta na daw ng ospital. Pero siguro antayin ko muna saglit. Kasi gusto ko talaga as much as possible dito mag-labor sa bahay. Pero pag di na talaga kaya, punta na kami ng hospital. Gisahin ko na lang si Travis. Nandito ko ngayon sa living room. So kaya ko pa naman siya. Maya-maya lang yung hilab niya, no? Maya-maya. Tapos, and meron din nga pala akong brown discharge kung saan. Kaya alam ko na parang medyo malapit na lumabas siya kaninang hapon. Tapos ngayong gabi meron ulit, no? So yun, ayaw talaga na Erin ng February. Gusto niya ng March. Gusto niya birthday niya March, no? So we'll see guys. Mahilab pa rin siya. Alright guys, 8:50 ng umaga. Wala akong tulog, magdamag. Maya-maya yung hilab ng tiyan ko. Ayaw pa namin pumunta ng ospital kasi inaantay kong pumutok yung panubigan ko. Mas gusto ko kasi mag-labor dito sa bahay.
Aww.
Yeah.
She's been up all night.
Yeah, I didn't really sleep. It's hard. Now it's, again.
Yeah, the contractions. They started right after I did my little trick. That's how they started.
Yeah. Kailangan ko maglakad-lakad kasi mas nararamdaman ko siya pag nakaupo lang. So kaya naglalakad-lakad ako dito sa loob ng bahay. Tapos kanina naglakad kami sa labas. Lalabas na si Ellie. Gusto niya talaga March lumabas, guys.
She's definitely coming in March.
Ayan. Ayaw niya ng February.
Let me get you a towel so you can sit on the couch.
Oh. Grabe yung paghihilab niya. Maya-maya ang hilab niya, no? Iba talaga yung sakit niya, guys. Sa sakit ng period cramps. Kasi yung period cramps, kaya mo pa. Pwede mo pang itulog. Pero ito, hindi ka talaga. Tinatry kong midlip. Magigising ka talaga sa sobrang, hilab niya. Pero kaya pa naman. Kasi meron kang parang break na mga ilang minuto bago siya ulit humilab. Sabi sa amin, kapag tuloy-tuloy yung contraction, pwede na kayong pumunta. Pero, mas gusto ko dito mag-labor sa bahay. Para pagdating doon, na lang. Tsaka hindi pa kasi pumuputok yung panubigan ko. So, yun yung inaantay ko. kaya ko pa naman siya. Kasi minsan, pag pupunta ka sa ospital, wala, ganun din. Doon ka din kung i-admit ka man nila or pag-stay ka doon. Ganun din, mas komportable kasi ako dito eh. Hindi naman siya super layo yung hospitals dito sa amin. Mga 15 minutes, ganun. So, yun. Ang ginagawa ko ngayon is, chinarge ko lang yung tablet ko tapos yung AirPods ko kasi malulubat na. Para in case mamaya, gamitin ko. Nakikinig ako ng parang hypnobirthing meditation, gano'n. Nakakatulong talaga siya, guys. Pampakalma ng nerves mo, no? Kasi pag humilab na siya, hindi mo na alam anong gagawin mo, eh. Tawag nito, pag humilab na yung tiyan mo, baga, kanina nakaupo ako, tapos humilab siya. Sobrang parang medyo, talaga siya, kaya tumayo-tayo ako, tapos naglakad-lakad ako, doon medyo nababawasan yung niya, yung sakit. So, yun muna update. We'll see kung anong oras ngayon punta ng hospital, guys. Kung may progress, no?
A few moments later.
Hello, guys. Grabe naman mula yung ilong ko. Pupunta na kami ng ospital dahil nga dinudugo na ako. And medyo masakit na talaga siya, no? Tapos, ayun, tumawag kami, sabi namin na ayun nga, yung contraction ko isunod-sunod na, tapos matagal. So, sabi niya punta na daw kami. So, punta muna kami ng ospital, guys. Ayun si Travis. We'll see you.
Alright guys, quick update. So Jessa is 9 centimeters dilated. We're here at the hospital and they're about to come back in and do labs, but she's been at the 511, so every 5 minutes having a minute contraction for well over an hour. Water's still not broken. We had to come in to triage to check it out. And she's like, wow, you're very dilated, but the water hasn't broke, which can be, it's hit or miss with water breaking. So that's where we are right now. So more to come, but just stand by. They're coming back in. So we'll see you in a minute.
9 cm na tayo, guys.
Good thing I brought my backpack. I was like, we'll pack the whole car, just in case we gotta stay.
You don't need it right now.
No, yeah.
After the baby, then you can get all that out.
We've been active at the gym every day too. She walks 3 or 4 miles like consistently.
It's very good for her labor to be that her getting that active.
Babe. All right, y'all, here's our trooper. Say hi, babe.
Hello.
She's like, what, 9 or 10 centimeters?
Pagdating, yeah, we came here and then she checked my cervix. It's already 9 centimeter. Oh my gosh. I was like, oh god. Inaantay na lang namin pumutok yung panubigan ko, guys. Gusto ko nang i-push. Alam mo yung parang natatai ka na, tapos gusto mo nang ilabas. Buti yung contraction kapag humilab siya, bibigyan kanya ng break saglit lang, tapos ihilab na naman. Akala ko false lang talaga siya. Sabi ko parang hindi na, parang tuloy-tuloy na eh. Kaya sabi ko kay Travis, tapos nung nilabasan ako ng dugo, sabi ko kay Travis, punta na tayo kasi nga may dugo na. Tapos nag-aalala din siya kasi si Ellie hindi masyadong gumagalaw na, siguro nga kasi nga pinupush niya na yung ulo niya pababa. Tapos pagdating namin dito, 9 cm na ako, guys. Oh my goodness. Gusto ko kasi talaga manganak ng natural, no? Walang epidural or ano man. Oh, yan na naman siya. Nag-contract na naman. Babe.
Breathe. Just like you're lifting weights, just in and out. The more you breathe, the more oxygen she gets. There you go.
Oh my gosh. So every time nagko-contract siya, guys, nawakan ko lang yung kamay ni Travis, tapos nagpa-practice, bago kasi ako bago yung kabuanan ko, nagpa-practice ako ng parang breathing, ano man tawag niyan, hypnobirthing. Tapos may pinapakinggan ako kanina yung sobrang sakit na talaga. Pinapakinggan ko yun sa YouTube na hypnobirthing, parang meditation siya. So nakatulong talaga siya, guys, sobra. Tapos kung magli-labor kayo, maganda yung naglalakad-lakad kayo kasi para hindi nyo siya ma-feel. Ewan ko, depende siguro sa ibang mga buntis, no? Ewan ko, siguro iba nare-relax sila pag nakahiga, nakaupo, pero hindi siya gumagana sa akin. Kaya kailangan kong maglakad-lakad. Naglakad pa nga kami kanina sa may likod ng bahay namin, eh. Tapos nag-curb walking ako, tapos yung hagdanan dun sa likod namin. Tapos afternoon nakita ko na may red na lumabas sa panty ko. Tapos sabi ko kay Travis, parang sabi ko, punta na tayo kasi masakit na. Pero kaya ko pa. Hindi pa siya yung parang, pero I told them that I ask you to come here now because it's painful, but I can still manage it because
it's 'cause you're tough.
It gives you a break, but when
It's
the
still like
contraction
every
comes,
3 minutes.
But when the contraction came in, it's like it's like stabbing you.
Did you tell them what the doctors told you when you walked by them?
So what did they say?
The doctors, so we walked in, they're like, oh yeah, we seen you guys in the hallway, and they're like, oh, she is good. They didn't realize she was 9 centimeters dilated in inactive labor. They're like, holy cow, you're doing great. They're like, we couldn't do that. Basically, they called you tough.
Pero masakit talaga siya, guys. Sabi niya, nakakangiti ka pa.
Babe. There you go.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Good job.
Now you can be present.
You're doing it right. Yeah.
Right.
3 more after this one.
Don't tell her now. When she sees Eliana, then she'll be like, okay.
All right, maybe no. Let's just say
3 more.
more.
I thought you meant 3 more questions. I'm like,
Oh, no.
No, 3 more babies.
I wish I could predict. 3 more babies. Sure, why not?
Yeah, we're good with one. Pat and a dog would be all right.
There you go. Good job. Push, 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 push.
gonna push until you have this little one, okay? So in deep breaths, yeah, you wanna feel it. I'm kinda gotta push in a little bit, but yeah, we're only reaching. There you go. I know it's slippery.
Yep.
Yeah, when she pushes, you're gonna see it.
It's kind of a back and forth.
We'll tell you.
Here's some of that massage, okay? If you need me to stop, you tell me, okay?
You're doing really good.
Sign and focus.
Lots of hair.
Yeah, it's hard not to pull your baby's hair.
There's a lot of hair. There's a lot of hair.
Beautiful.
How's your pain right now?
They just want the,
I'm okay.
Okay, okay. We'll let it pulse for a little bit. Once we
Yeah,
cut,
please.
Yeah, once we cut the cord, are you okay if we get you kind of set up in the bed so that we can repair whatever needs to be repaired? Are you okay with that? Yeah. Okay.
oh, she's looking all over the place.
Hi. Hi, Ellie. Hi, it's Dada. Hi. Hi.
No, I did IO. It was like right after I just put in.
Never did. If we can leave it till it.
She's
Yeah,
perfect.
we'll
White
try to leave it as
or
long as we can.
please.
Everything that'll make us stop it sooner is if we gotta get
Good job.